Are you guys ready to do this as seen on TV product? I've seen it like 3 times, and every time I saw this commercial, I believed it more and more. So we're gonna test it out today. Come on in close and I'll show you what we're reviewing. So today we are doing the Granitestone Diamond Pan. It's a triple layer non-stick granite stone. And it's funny because this pan has a very rough surface. It's not smooth like most non-sticks. The other thing that's great about this, it's dishwasher safe. It's 500 degrees safe, so you can put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. And you can use metal utensils in this. And they guarantee no oil or butter is needed. So we're gonna burn some chocolate candy in this. We're gonna cook some eggs in this with no oil, no butter. That's how we test this out. And if you buy it, you get this little egg pan too. It's got a little silicone handle. And I will never use this pan, but I thought it was a nice little extra, huh? All right, let's take it over to the stove and try it out. One of the things I noticed is the handle here has the Y design so it doesn't get hot right away, which is kind of cool. And then at the bottom here, you got the metal looping, which disperses the heat. Cook it up a little bit. All right, let's check it out. It should be able to, it's not moving. Not moving at all. So let's try and help it along. Whoops. It's sticking right there. You can see it. It's sticking right there. Look at that. It comes off though, but it's sticking. So where's that scene that where I'm allowed to move it around? Watch. Look at that. That's grabbing that egg. I can't even move it around. In their video, they were swirling around like nothing stick to it. I see that nothing's sticking. I'm going to burn this egg. I know it. I see that it doesn't stick to the pan, but a bit. Let's see. Well, there you go. I don't know. We're going to cook that side now. Alright, these chocolates should be melting soon. Just give them a minute or two. Still waiting for the chocolate to melt. As you can see, it's starting to burn already. Okay, we've been here a few minutes. What is in our chocolate that it won't melt? This is unbelievable. It's the stuff that they put in the Walmart ice cream sandwiches. Do you remember that video I did? Yeah. They got this magic yoga crap. This rubberization. I can't even imagine the chemicals that are in there. Okay, so let's turn off the fire because it started burning. Oh my gosh, it's burning, it's burning. And quick, turn the fire off. So the fire's off. Now let's see what it's like. Ready? Oh. Wow. Wipes right out. Yeah. There's a few spots that's stuck, but wipes right out. Alright, now some of you like to make these crispy cheese sheets. Whether you make it, let's say you're on keto and you're looking for a tortilla of cheese, or you're making a little tiny pizza or whatever. So we're going to try cheese out right now. You ready? Here we go. We're just going to melt it. Let me get my little metal spatula in here. No, I'm not touching it. Oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? Look. That egg pan, I can just fill it with cheese and do it in here instead. It'd be the perfect measurement for cheese. Look at it. See? Alright, let's see how it's taking. Probably should have waited a little bit longer. But see how that is? Now you got a beautiful shell that you can put egg in and sour cream and cilantro into that shell. It's like it becomes rubbery. So it's called the Granitestone Diamond as seen on TV. 10 times extra strong lasting. Triple layer non-stick granite stone with titanium and diamond infused. Wow. You guys, look. Look at that. I really like it when things succeed and they claim to do what they say they do. I don't always look for it to fail. I give it a test, and if it succeeds, I tell you, this is a success. This pan, I'm definitely keeping. I didn't expect to keep this pan, but I'm keeping this pan. I'm keeping that little light pan that I'm never gonna use probably. This does what it says it does. No stick, in the oven, 500 degrees, in the dishwasher, metal utensils, nothing sticks to it. Try it out and disprove me, okay? I think this whole thing was like 20 bucks. That was it, 20 bucks. Unbelievable. There it is. You guys take care and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.